Top Secrets episode with Molly here. We are going to scare the birds. You want to see the birds? There are the birds. Get out of the way! There are the birds.
Birds. They're in the grumpy old man's yard.
Never crackers.
That's not.
Let's go! Doo, 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 doo,
We can't show addresses.
Hey, no passing! This is the fun line.
Look at the rabbits. Isn't it cute? But
I am a rabbit squirrel.
it has a hole in its head.
Rabbit squirrel.
Alright, let's go.
Where did all the birds go?
They're going to eat him.
See all these little black dots? Those are birdies. They're in the front.
Can I go sit on his lap?
No, sorry. I don't think he can sustain your weight.
What he said? You call me heavy?
Yes.
You call me heavy?
Sister right.
You died! Help! I'm being attacked by a person.
Look at the doggy.
Pujo.
Evil. Evil. Look at all the birdies.
Basketball, go! On try. We are back. Sam tried. Okay, let's go. We've got feed the birds. Tuppy.
Birdie got three. Do you know how birds fly?
Yeah, sure.
I know how birds fly.
How?
They use their fire power.
Okay.
Okay.
We're not going to show you where we live.
Look at this pole. You can't see the pole. You can't see the pole.
You want to go scare the birdies? You got to go scare the birdies.
Like, see, there's birdies over there. Look. And they're not even in this lawn. You can't see the pole. Go scare the birds.
Birdie!
Go scare the birds. They're over there. Look at the bird. Look at them fly.
Yeah.